Welcome! If you're looking to update the email address linked to your Facebook page and want to do it from your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to change your email address on your Facebook page, following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you want to manage. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Now, look for the About section. You'll usually find it on the left-hand side or in the page menu, depending on the current Facebook layout. Click on About to access your page's details. Scroll down until you see your email address listed. Right next to it, you'll notice a small More icon. This often looks like 3 dots or a little arrow. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, choose Edit. This will allow you to make changes to your email address. Simply delete the old email, type in your new one, and double-check to make sure it's correct. Once you're happy with your new email address, look for the Save button. Usually at the bottom of the editing window. Click Save to confirm your changes. Facebook may send a confirmation email to your new address, so be sure to check your inbox and follow any instructions if needed. And that's it. You've successfully updated the email address on your Facebook page using your PC. Keeping your contact information up to date is important for staying connected with your audience and receiving important notifications. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.